Let's know superscription, signature, and body of the letter. Superscription. Superscription means the name of the person or organization to whom the letter is written. The address of the addressee is called the superscription. Signature. The signature is naturally written below the subscription. In this part, the writer's signature is written. That is important. Body of the letter. This part is the very important part of the letter. In this part, the fact or the summary is written. According to the description, this part can be divided into more than one paragraph.